Good evening from the White House in Washington. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, it is a ghost city. The buildings are in ruins. Its economy and its people are in ruins. Women and children and old men were wandering over the highway, returning to bombed-out homes or leaving bombed-out cities, searching for food and shelter. War has indeed come home to the United States. How glad I am to be home again. We're going to maintain the military bases necessary for the complete protection of our interests. We must do all we can to spare her from the ravages of any future breach of the peace. Atomic bomb is only a small fraction of what would happen to the world in a third world war. Atomic bomb. We can never permit any aggressor in the future to be clever enough to divide us or strong enough to defeat us. Atomic bomb. That was the guiding spirit in the Conference of San Francisco. That will be the guiding spirit in the peace settlements to come. Atomic bomb. And so thoroughly had they done their job that we were able to carry on and to reach many agreements essential to the future peace and security of the world. There were no secret agreements or commitments apart from current military arrangements. Atomic bomb. The President has no power to make any treaty without ratification by the Senate of the United States. I want to express my thanks